I just found a dropshipping store that's currently making over $13 million every single month, and in this video, I'm going to be exposing everything. Today, we're going to be covering exactly how much money they make, the website they use to generate the revenue, the exact product they're selling, where you can find their product on AliExpress, their exact TikTok account that they're using to run their business, the winning creatives they're using, and exactly how you can replicate this business for yourself. You're going to want to stay tuned for this video because I'll be revealing everything about this business. Before we get started, I want to quickly mention that I just created a free TikTok ads and organic community. It's linked down below. It's called Ecom Evolution, and all you need to do to join is click the link below, so make sure to check that out. Now let's get right into the details of this dropshipping business. So as you can see, I pulled the business up on Shop Hunter and they made $13 million this month. Let's see how much they made this week. $2 million. And today they made $280,000, which is absolutely crazy. As you guys can see, at the beginning of the month, they were making over $700,000 every single day. These are some absolutely crazy numbers, so let me show you exactly how they're doing this. As you guys can see, they've got a few products here: the sauna blanket starter kit, the pro mat bundle, and the glow mask. They're also selling an infrared sauna and a couple other things. Today, we're going to be focusing on the glow bundle. This product right here is a red light therapy mask that helps you get better skin, something like that. It's a product for women and they're interested in it because it'll help them be more beautiful. So let's check out the website they're using for the store. As you guys can see, it's a pretty simple dropshipping store. They've got a few different products here on the homepage, some quotes and everything, but the homepage really isn't important. Looking at the product page, as you guys can see, they're selling the red light therapy face mask for $350. They've got a bunch of really high quality images showing men and women wearing the mask, which is pretty good. They also have a little upsell here, and of course, product details, reviews, and basically everything you need to know about the product. This is actually pretty interesting that they're able to get away with selling it for $350, especially because the exact product can be bought on AliExpress for just $45. This one is a different color. I wasn't able to find the blue variant that they're selling, but I'm sure if you contact the supplier, they have multiple colors of this product that you can sell. The interesting part about this brand is that they're running TikTok ads to generate the revenue. As you guys can see, they made $270,000 today. And this was from a combination of TikTok ads and also Facebook ads. Also, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below for Shop Hunter. They've got a 30-day free trial, so you can start tracking stores right now. Looking at their TikTok account, you can see that they have 8,000 followers, which is honestly nothing crazy, but you can see that they've got a few videos here with over 1 million views. That one's got 2 million. This one has 1.5 million. And then from here on out, it's pretty much just normal TikTok organic videos. One of the creatives though that I found here has over 1.4 million views, and this was a creative that they were running during the Black Friday sale. So let's take a look.
Right now, I'm not depressed. I'm just having a little break from slaying. and then I'm going to go back to slaying soon. So don't you worry.
So as you guys can see, it's the girl talking about how this product is going to make her slay, but she's not slaying when she's wearing it because it looks ugly. But this ad was pretty good. As you can see, there's only 700 likes on this video, and it's got over 1 million views on it. So obviously this brand was running it as a paid ad. It's really interesting to me that they were able to generate all of these sales from these TikTok accounts. And it's honestly insane that they're making over $300 in profit on every single order. If you guys want to learn how to create a dropshipping brand like this and run ads on TikTok, check out the link below. Join my community. It's completely free to join. All you got to do is sign up for the free trial. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.